Hello children, welcome to grade 6 Science English Mudium class. Living things, animals, plants, microorganisms. Some plants: coconut, jack, bamboo, papaya. Some animals: deer, butterfly, fish, parrot, snowflake. The compound microscope is used to observe things that cannot be seen with the naked eye.
Accordingly, organisms can be divided into three main groups. They are plants, animals, microorganisms. Growth is a common feature of organisms. There is no growth in non-living things. Nutrition.
Satisfying the food requirements of organisms is called nutrition.
Most green plants produce food within themselves. Hence, these plants are called autotrophic. They use carbon dioxide from air, soil, water, and sunlight to produce food. This process is called photosynthesis. Animals depend on plants directly or indirectly. Therefore, animals are considered as heterotrophic. Animals such as deer, cows, etc. take plants as food. They depend on plants directly. But animals such as tiger, lion take flesh as food. So, they depend on plants indirectly. Showing different movements is a common feature of living organisms. Apart from movements, some animals can move from place to place.
Animals moving from one place to another place is called locomotion.
There are some animals that cannot move, but they show different movements. Sea anemone, coral polyp living in oceans are animals.
Some leaves show sleeping movements in the evening. For example also, albesia, spenia, Cathlura morunca, agathia.
When a plant is kept on a windowsill, after some days the stem of the plant bends towards the sunlight. This too is a movement of the plant.
Respiration. Oxygen in the air, once breathed in, reacts with the food stored in the body and produces energy. This process is called respiration.
The chest moves up and down because of the process of inhaling and exhaling. These movements are called respiratory movements.
Plants too breathe, but they do not show respiratory movements as animals.
Respiration is a common feature of every organism. There is no respiration in non-living things.
Reproducation. A matured living being producing new members of the same species is known as reproduction.
Reproduction of organisms occurs in different methods. Reproduction is essential for the existence of living organisms. Reproduction does not occur in non-living things. Diversity of plants. Number 1. There is a vast diversity among plants and animals in the environment. Number 2. Based on the nature of plants, they can be categorized as plants, trees, shrubs, and creepers. Number 3. Also there is diversity among plants and related to morphological features such as roots, stem, flowers, shape, size, and color of fruits and seeds.
Diversity among plants. 1 is based on morphological features. 2 is based on nature. 3 is based on living.
Diversity among animals. 1 is based on living. 2 is based on the mode of locomotion. 3 is based on external characteristics. 4 is based on the type of food. Based on the feeding mechanism. Dichotomous keys. Categorization of organisms using the presence or absence of a characteristic feature is known as a dichotomous key.